On this episode of Turnstile, we're headed to the Magic Kingdom for some holiday treats. Happy holidays, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. We are back at the Magic Kingdom once more to experience some amazing holiday treats. And it seems like we were just here not too long ago experiencing some incredible Halloween spooky treats.
And it seems like overnight the park is transformed yet again.
It has transformed. And here's the thing, if you want to check it out, I'll leave a link for our last video. But I do remember last time that we each picked a treat. And I think I picked the favored treat.
Let's go.
Today we are going to go ahead and try some Christmas treats, and we'll see which one is the best. I think I have a really cool treat that kind of fits my personality. I want to see what you think, and we'll see who wins. If you guys like to see videos like this, if you guys like to see vlogs of the Walt Disney theme park, make sure you do subscribe to Retrospective and leave us a like on this video.
Dogs, and I love Christmas, so why not get your dog a little Christmas shirt, or take that collar out. It's a gingerbread Minnie Mouse. There's a cookie jar that looks like a gingerbread house. It's adorable. Going along with the gingerbread theme of everything else this year, got some brand new ears, so you can leave out some cookies for Santa. Don't forget the milk. But I kind of feel like I need to add this to my collection. It's with little park tails. You can clip them on anything. Backpacks, in your car, wherever really. It's a very Star Wars Christmas. Wait, there's more. There's this cool little harness with a little Santa hood. A Mickey Santa. 2 brand new holiday backpacks. You got peppermint, and you got Mickey. I need this. I need this. Oh, and this. This. There's so many. There's some brand new stuff here in Disney Dress Shop merchandise. Check that out. That is beautiful, but I want to show you what's on my wish list to Santa. This one. This is Ratatouille. How cute would this look riding on the new attraction that's going to open in Epcot?
baby. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Hey, follow me. This is the Orange Bird Christmas dessert from the Sunshine Tree Terrace, and it is a orange-scented white chocolate mousse. That is some electric orange coloring on there. There's the mousse in there. Hey, really, there is citrus flavor in there. That's fun. I really think Brandon's gonna like this one. It's not overly sweet. A little bit of citrus taste to it. It is if I decide to share it with him. Here I am eating all of it. Did you want some? Tell me what you think.
I mean, you have to like orange to like this. I mean, it's a strong orange, super nice, super tasty. Orange Bird, this is just the innards of it. A lot of stuff going on here. Supposedly there's orange curd in this as well. I don't really know what orange curd is, but whatever it is, this is tasty, and I have no complaints. So it's really kind of cool too. The outer shell of our chocolate orange, all white chocolate, and I don't know, it's bright orange, but they definitely gave it a little bit of texture too, so it does remind you of what an orange looks like. Tasty. But you can see, it almost gives you like Cheeto fingers or something. Merry Christmas, Orange Bird. Really good. It's rare that I leave the Sunshine Tree Terrace
Thank you for visiting.
unhappy.
Just a few reminders. Face coverings must fully cover your nose and mouth and be worn at all times, except when actively eating or drinking while stationary. Guests that do not comply will be asked to leave. Okay?
Alright, so here is what I picked for our little adventure in desserts. It is a Let It Snow taco, and it is, I believe it's salted caramel on the inside of sugar cookies with mousse on the inside. So I figure if I'm not a huge fan of sweets in general, if I go for a taco, at least that way it seems like it's like real food. Cool little Mickey on there, a couple little snowflakes on the side. Let's try this out.
And you can just smell the sugar. And I love how it's got like glitter on it too. Because what holiday dessert doesn't deserve glitter?
Are you a fan of sugar cookies?
Sure, who's not?
Now that's definitely the chocolate mousse sitting on top there. Get a little bit of the caramel on bottom.
It's like a gingerbread kind of.
That's what it kind of reminds me of. More so than a sugar cookie. It has a very gingerbread taste. You know what? It's not bad. It is sweet. I'm not gonna lie. So if you like sweet stuff, this will be good for you. And if you like to eat your dessert like a taco, that will also be a benefit. So visually, I think we picked two winners. You had us go to Adventureland. We tried the Merry Christmas, the Orange Bird Christmas, which was visually stunning, super bright orange, amazing. And of course, I went for the taco over in Frontierland, Pecos Bill, and I have to say, while both were visually good, one of them definitely stood above the rest in terms of taste. And I'm willing to concede this time around that I may have won Halloween, but you won Christmas. So your reward is that we are going to do a costume change here, and we're going to change our outfits, and we're going to do some more holiday stuff. How about I take you out to dinner? How's that sound?
It sounds pretty fancy.
All right, ready? Costume change. Ready? And ta-da! We clean up pretty nice, don't we?
We do.
All right, so you won the challenge. You picked the better treat from our journey. So why don't you tell me what we're doing next?
Well, are you hungry for more?
I'm always hungry, first off.
So we've got reservations at the Skipper's Canteen in Adventureland.
Oh man, the Skipper's Canteen. That's an interesting holiday treat. I wouldn't have picked that, but you kind of are dressed appropriately for this.
I am, and then...
You got your nice little tiki outfit going on here.
And then I think maybe, just maybe, we ought to check out the Jingle cruise.
Oh, that'd be nice. Let's see what the line is for that. And see what else we can do. Maybe catch the castle lights before we leave tonight. What do you think?
I think this is going to be a great evening.
All right, let's go. Nothing like celebrating the holidays at a phenomenal restaurant like the Skipper Canteen here in Adventureland in Magic Kingdom in Walt Disney World Resort. And I have ordered the sustainable fish, which I love seafood, but I'm really excited because this one's got a guava habanero sauce. I feel like getting fish from a Jungle Cruise themed restaurant is a solid choice. All right, I got a little bit of everything here. Get a little of the greens on there too. Holy smokes.
Alright, what's the verdict? So far, so good?
It's really good.
So good.
Really good.
Do you know what you call a boomerang that doesn't come back?
I don't know.
It's a stick.
It's a stick.
Yeah.
Very good.
Do you smell that? It's tofu, vegetables, and noodles tossed in a soy, chili, garlic sauce. Sounds delicious. Noodles. Tofu. It's good stuff.
A lot of people think tofu doesn't have a lot of flavor. What are your thoughts?
This has a lot of flavor on it. Garlic, and you can taste ginger. Yeah, they don't know what they're missing.
All right, so we just finished our meal. This is the second time we've ever been to the Skipper Canteen, and I have to say, I enjoyed it just as much this time as I enjoyed the last time. It's nice to see what they've done with the place post-pandemic, or in the middle of the pandemic. A lot more spaces in between the table. That everybody, you know, I felt good. It was good in there. Out of the dishes, I mean, I was really surprised. Obviously, we like to sample of each other's dishes. Tofu, man, it ended up being really good. So, but I will say this, the sustainable fish, it came on, I didn't mention this when I was talking about the dish, it came on something called a cassava cake, and that made the dish, man. It's
crunchy.
Cassava, yeah, it's like the root of a tropical tree or something like that. But man, oh man, that with the fish and then the little habanero guava sauce just made the dish. Highly recommend both these dishes. We both left full. We thought about getting dessert and then we were like, nah, that's not gonna happen. But super, super amazed by this. I'm just gonna let this digest and get ready for that little castle show later tonight. Hey Marcy, why on earth are we waiting in such a long line for the Jungle Cruise? Of all rides, why are we waiting in such a long line for the Jungle Cruise?
I think you're forgetting one thing. It's the Jingle Cruise.
Oh, that's right. This time of year, they always change it. It is one of the few holiday overlays that we still see at the Walt Disney World Resort. The world-famous Jingle Cruise. Happy GNU Year. It's a great attraction. We do it every single year. This year, I think people are super, super excited for it because the line is long. But that's partially because of what?
Well, you gotta keep your social distancing.
The social distancing means the line goes much longer. When we got here earlier, it actually went all the way to the front of Adventureland, and I'm talking all the way by the Magic Kingdom hub. So people are excited to get a little bit of this holiday cheer at this time of the year.
Yeah, bye, everybody. I'll see you guys.
Oh, and look at those lions. They're protecting that sleeping zebra. That's right, kids. That's how a zebra sleeps, on his side, surrounded by lions. Yes, we're gonna let him rest in pieces. After all, he is dead. Tired. Dead tired. Oh dear. Gee, Mr. Rhino, usually I just drink popcorn. What can I say? That's what happens when you give a rhino a fruitcake. That little hyena back there, those are special variety hyena. They're a rare variety called belt hyena. They're Santa's little yelpers. I did tell Sam your wife makes the best stew I've ever had. He said, yeah, too bad I'm gonna miss her. I know cannibal jokes aren't for everyone. They tend to be in bad taste. Yeah, you just have to learn how to taste grated salt and pepper. Makes me easier to swallow.
I think we had a solid day. We had lots of good treats. We had an amazing meal. And we got to go on the world famous Jingle Cruise. The perfect holiday experience. Anything else we have left to do here?
I mean, the icing on the cake would be the lights on the castle.
All right, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna finish up our trip here with some lights on the castle. If you enjoyed what you saw today and like to see more of it, why not click the subscribe button and give us a like for this video. We'll see you soon and happy holidays.